YouTube! What is going on, guys?
Oh my god, bro. What is up, boys? Welcome back to another POV drive. And today we'll be heading out late at night. But first things first, you always have to close your valves. Listen, guys, you want a loud car, you have to be courteous to your neighbors. A little finicky, but they just closed up. Let's go ahead and turn her on. I have 5% tint on this thing, and I can't see shit at night. So my windows are about to go down. So if you don't like the wind noise, I'm sorry. All right, I rolled the windows up a little bit. Hopefully it cuts out some of the wind noise. And I can still see over the top half of my window, so I will be all right. I can't help it, man. I don't want to get hit by a car with their lights off, so sometimes the windows just got to get rolled down. I'll see if I can figure out a mic situation where, like buy the fuzzy mic, because I'm pretty sure the fuzzy ones stop that wind noise. I'll look into that, but a little later. It's not a pressing issue, but the video quality will only go up from here, trust me. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Yo.
What are you doing?
Driving around with the camera strapped to my head.
I got points with Southwest, so I mean, I'm about to pay like literally nothing.
I have testicular cancer, bro.
Do you actually?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
What the fuck are you talking about?
He has a really big fucking lump on his left nut. He showed me.
Oh, is it on the actual nut or in the sack?
It's in the sack.
Oh, then you're fine. That's not testicular cancer. It has to be on the actual nut.
Thank God.
I'm not a doctor, bro. I don't think you should trust what I'm saying, but I'm pretty sure it has to be on the nut.
Yeah.
I think there's like a M3 in front of me, bro. I can't tell.
Dude,
M4, bro. It's M4.
Race him.
He's got a sick ass car, bro.
Race him. Honk at him with 3 honks. Fuck out.
Guys, I'm driving. I gotta hang up. I'm too busy.
Alright, later, bro.
I will see you guys later. I see a bridge. Oh shit, here we go. My boy just texted me. I actually went out for a ride tonight because we're gonna stop by his place real quick and I'm gonna help him fix up his bike. We're doing the oil change on it. But half the oil change is already done because he did it last night. So just gotta put oil in it and then take it out. tell you something. On the 10-speed in specific, like this specific 10-speed, the 10R80, first and second gear are terrible, man. Terrible. Anything after that, buttery smooth. But like first gear, like you gotta get out of first and second as fast as you can, bro. They just suck. They're very like, it wants to just kick you, bro. It's trying to just buck you back and forth. I don't like it. I will say though, in paddle shifting mode, it's much worse. In the automatic mode, you can't really tell. Like it'll do all the work for you, like perfectly, obviously. But I like paddle shift mode, bro. I like to be able to rev it out, you know, as long as I feel like. So, I don't know. All right, boys, we're now entering my buddy's neighborhood. You know what that means? Hopefully they close. I heard him close, boys, we're good. We're here, I don't know where the hell he's at, so I'll be waiting around here for a second, and then we're gonna get the bike suited up. This is a 600 CBR, that's a 300 CBR, and there's one more bike missing, but my buddy's out on it right now, riding around, but you guys will probably be able to see it. But yeah, we're gonna do the oil change on this real quick, and then head back out in the Mustang and fucking do some pulls, bro. Dude, we're professionals, bro. Look at that. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's moving.
Oh yeah, we're good. There's oil in there.
That's the bubble, yeah. You can see the line.
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Dude! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Slow 500.
This shit's clean though, bro. Oh my god, son. All right, boys, we're going to 7-Eleven real quick, and then we're gonna bring one of the bikes out, the 300. And after I grab a quick snack, we're gonna go make a couple pulls on the highway. So I'll see you guys there. Oh my god, bro. We're at 7-Eleven. I can't wait to get some munchies, bro. Some Cheez-Its. Fuck, dude. Love me some Cheez-Its, man. Look at this ding-a-ling on his bike. Snacks have been acquired. Let's go. Bald eagles, bald eagles, bald eagles, bro. Next stop, a lit ass parking lot. Hell yeah, bro, hell yeah. I think. Yeah, he's behind us. He's pulling up.
Is that the CBR?
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
Oh god, what's going on? Today we're back with the
There we go. Bro, I only floored it once it just shifts up into third gear because like second just started spinning. Anyways, boys, we're at the destination, so I'm gonna hop out and then I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys what I got underneath. Billet throttle body, 90mm solar performance, 120mm JLT intake, bro. I took the engine cover off, by the way, but this is the PP1 package. And then I'll show you guys the exhaust, but Basically, it's a full catback exhaust system. And it has the valves. You can probably see them in there actually. Hold up. Yeah, it has the valved exhaust, has the throttle body, has the intake, tuned on E85 by Lund Racing, and it should be making about 470 to the wheel right now. This thing's getting Catless headers, bro. It's got to, bro. It's got to. It's quiet out tonight, so I'm gonna have my boy hold the camera, and I'm gonna go fucking send it out on the highway, and we're gonna see if you can actually hear my car or not.
Damn, dude. You heard it still echoing.
Holy shit. Also, that shit took off, dude. Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we're back with the...
Dude, that shit is gonna fall apart, bro.
He's gonna be buying me a new one.
That's
I would
so
love
bad.
A brand new bike, dude.
That is so bad. What the fuck? Oh, we got burbles, bro. It's weird with this. If I want to record something, I just have to look at it. Where usually you kind of like don't think you have to do that, but see, I'm looking right at you now. See?
YouTube! What is going on, guys?
Oh my god, bro. You're autistic, buddy. You're autistic. All right.
He's not special. I think his mom is autistic.
Dude, literally, bro. Time to gap that piece of shit. I'm gapping your ass, pal.
Nope.
Yep. Getting gapped, buddy.
Yep. Yes!
He's bugging over there, dude. He's tweaking.
Big gap.
Line it up, buddy. 300cc. That's just not even fair, bro. That's not even fair. He's coming. He's coming. There he goes. Oh my god. Alright, bro.
Out of here.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, bro.
Alright, man. Thank you.
Be out tomorrow. Have a good one.
Drive safe.
Later, boys. Alright, I just dropped my buddies off and I'm headed home, boys. But tonight was a great night. Got some really good footage for you boys. And tomorrow, man, tomorrow we got races on races. Hopefully. I don't want to spoil too much, but should have some pretty fast stuff. Pretty fast and cool stuff. Nothing boring. But yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a great time. I'll probably have the video posted Saturday or Sunday. So look out for that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you boys later.